Hi everyone. Today I will explain you how to make timetable in my smart school software. There are some prerequisite for making timetable. One of them is to assign subject in section. For assigning subject, click on in academic, click on manage section. Here you will find different classes and their section. So for example, we will create timetable for first class and the section A. So if we need to create or make a timetable for a particular section, we need to assign subject for that section. So I will click on edit and then need to select compulsory subject. Let's select some subject, for example English, EVS, Hindi, mathematics, and save. After saving the subject, you can see that here the subject for class first A, the compulsory subject are shown here. So next step is to manage teachers. So here in manage teacher, you need to here you need to assign classes and subjects that a teacher can teach. So for example, I will edit it and select the classes he or she can teach. For example, he can teach first and second, and the subject he or she can teach. For example, English and mathematics, he can teach only these two subjects, and then update. So after updating, you can see that uh, this AP teacher can teach 1 and 2 class and English and math subject. Like this, you need to select or assign all teacher the class and subject that he or can see teach. Now let's again assign. For example, she can teach all these classes and he can teach Hindi, and then select update. Like that, you need to select all the, and now select this and update. For example, he or she can teach only first and nursery and first, and he can see teach Hindi, EVS, and like that. As many you can select. Now next one is this also. You can select all these things. For example, English, Hindi, art, even I can select art also. And next thing is one more. Then update. Now these two are prerequisite for making timetable. Now after assigning subject in section and assigning classes and subject to the particular teacher, then we will go to manage timetable. Click on manage timetable. Here there are three tabs. One is edit or edit timetable, second is add new timetable, and third one is add school timing. So first of all, you need to create a or add a school timing. Click on add new school timing. Then you need to add the school timing. For example, either you can, for example, you can say that summer timetable or winter timetable or year session, anything you can give a name. For example, I will write 2025-26 and school opening time. For example, I will select a morning session, uh, for example 8 o'clock, and closing time I will select 14 30 means 2:30 p.m. Number of period, for example, my timetable is for 8 period or 7 period. You can add anyone, 8 7 as per your school requirement. Recess after period, for example, period number 4, and recess start time you can also assign. For example, our recess will start on uh, 11 11:00, and first period you can also assign the time, etc. First period, second period, etc. if you need. Otherwise you can save just like that, and a timetable is created. If you want to make it correct again, if you have done some mistake, so you can click again on edit, and all these fields are again open, so you can make change also at any time. So let's now create timetable, and here you can also add more time, for example summer time, winter time, etc. Now again you need to add a timetable name. So maybe there are some more than one timetable at a time in system, or you can say that more timetable, for example a primary timetable, a separate primary timetable, and a separate secondary or senior secondary timetable. So you can generate or make as many as you can wish, but at a time only one timetable for a particular group of classes, or all only one time or one timetable will be activated. So let's add a new timetable, and again you can give either any name. If you are using more than one timetable for whole year, you can just give, for example summer timetable, or first timetable, second time, anything. Let's we just give the again the session name of timetable, and then if you need to copy if there are another timetable already exist, then you can make a copy also. But right now we will choose new one. We will create a new timetable. So here from you need to select the school timing that we have already make, and then select classes. For example, we want to make it for class all, you can select, or if you want to make group, for example I want to make for only first and second, then create timetable. After clicking it, you can see that here is a also another a timetable is created, and this timetable has only two classes, 1 and 2, and now status is disabled. This means that right now it is not visible to the teachers or student. So if we want to show it to the teacher and student, then we can again edit it and make it enabled. So when a timetable is enabled, it will be visible to both teachers and student also. So let it change to enable and update the timetable. Now after making this, just these are the just name of our timetable 2025 2026. This is just name, it doesn't matter, you can change it anytime, or even you can change the school timing name. For example, I will again change it to the summer, for example summer time. So these the changes doesn't matter. The only thing matter is here it is also updated. The only thing matter is actually the content we will put in it. So now edit timetable, select the timetable name, and select the classes. For example, I want to make the timetable for class first and for section A. So let's get section detail. When you find this, when you fetch the section detail, the timetable look like this, a blank empty template. For this timetable, for example, we want to give all the period and all the subject for a particular teacher, for example first period. So here are two way, either you can select one by one, or you can select fill the whole period at a one. If we select this first one, On period you select this edit pencil button, and here you find the subject. For example, I want to assign English, and it will show only those teacher, those can teach English for this particular classes. So it will show only these four teacher. For example, Reena, I select Reena and save it. After saving, it will assign it to the whole week. Now we can change, if we want to change it for this period, we want to give to another teacher or another subject. So click here and then select the another subject, or you can select another teacher also. So edit. So like that means when we click the on the period number and the first pencil, and this is just nothing else, but it's only for time saving, to fill the complete week with a single click. So you can change later on for in the same way. We will assign these teachers again one by one to all classes. For example, now we want to give this period to math teacher, and the only two teachers are available for this. For example, I will select this AP and save. So math subject and AP teacher selected and filled for whole week for a particular period. You can change later on. Right now, any you can do anything. Now you can see that these we have filled these, but if any teacher is assigned to another class, for example, let's again we assign subject to class first B, and make it change again, and I will show you. For example, English, Hindi, EVS and mathematics, add update. Now I will go to again manage timetable, select timetable name, class. Now I will show to first B. Now first B is empty class again, and I want to assign this first period to a particular, for example, English. So you can see that only three teachers are available. The fourth one, that we have already assigned. For example, let we see this English subject, and Reena, means this Reena is already assigned it period for that particular day in a different classes. So this Reena will not available to another class or section. For example, again we select this B section and fetch, and the first period we want to fetch the English section. So you can see now, if a teacher is already assigned a teacher, he or she will not available here, then it will not show. So now we will fill this with another teacher and save it. So this will remove all classes, and you just need to fill one by one. And it is, we can say that it is a semi automatic system, and it will prevent the whole all classes, etc. It will also show the number of period for a particular subject. Here you can see the list subject and period. Here we assign for English 5 subject. Here you can see the 5 section, and math 6 subject, and Hindi 1 subject. So when after completing filling the all the period, it will also show the statistics of subject wise number of period given. So like that. And again, for example, let's fill this one by one. For example, now we choose EVS and fetch a particular teacher. For example, this I will show this and fill this like that. And now again I will give the Hindi, and if there are available any teacher are available, we can fill it. So like that you need to create or make timetable. Again, when we refresh it and get detail, the number of subject number of period subject wise will updated again. So we need to make the all classes, all sections timetable like this. After creating timetable, this you can print it, or you can generate report in different form. So after that you need to go to timetable report. When you click timetable report, it will show here. Select timetable name and type report type. For example, we need to class wise timetable. So here all classes will shown. For example, I want to show first A, first B, or first C, or all. You can select at a time all or a particular class. Let's select one A and one B and get typed. It will show the timetable we have made. So like this, and this also show the class teacher name if we assign, and this need to assign from section, manage section, where we assign the for example, right now there are no teacher assigning is showing, and we again go to manage section, and first A I will assign a particular teacher. For example, let's assign a particular teacher. So i I'll assign a particular teacher, for example this, and save. After assigning this, I will go to again timetable report and select the timetable reports type, and then I will assign these. So we have just assigned this timetable to particular class, and you can see this is the particular class title. So you can print one class on one page. So when you click on print, it will show one class at in a one page. You can also adjust it from different scaling or from different layout. For example, this it will show that if you want to fill this with complete page, you can increase the scale from here, and let's make it 150%. So like that it will fill with the complete page. So you can adjust the page and their layout etc from print box. So after here you can also print more than one classes in one page. So click here, so you can find that we again change scale to the standard 100% or default. So when you select on default, it will show you or in one page, or you can also make it on portrait. So when you make portrait, it will be shown like that. So you can print or just give to anyone. And then next report is day wise teacher timetable. So here you can select a particular day. For example, we need to check the Monday timetable, so just select Monday or all, and then get. So then it will show the all teachers timetable on that particular day, all the sections. So like that it will show. And third type report is teacher wise timetable. A teacher, we need to give the teacher wise timetable. So for example, we have selected this and we have given some period to another also. So let's select these, those we have given the periods, or let's this. So you can see that teacher wise timetable. Here the teacher name, here the class teacher of for which class he or she is the teacher, class teacher. So it will shown here teacher name, period, number of periods, the total number of period he assigned. For example, right now it is showing the sixth period and this one is seventh period. So like that it will count the number of period to a particular teachers. So it will show total number of periods. So this is all about making the timetable and printing etc. You can also print this from print teacher wise timetable. It will show like that, or you can assign from this scale one page at a one page or more than one page or any layout etc, and you can also print this. So this is all about timetable. If you need more information, you can check out another video, or you can contact us uh, at any time on WhatsApp, email, or phone. Okay, thank you very much.